In this video, I will show you step by step how you can put audio in CapCut just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, guys. So let's get started. So first, what you need to do is you just need to open your CapCut app like this in your laptop or PC that you are using. Then go to your home page. So this will be your home page, your CapCut home page. And to put audio in CapCut, so here is what you need to do. It's super easy. Just click over here on import. Okay, click on import like this, and it's gonna take you to your laptop, to your downloads. Okay, and scroll down, choose your audio that you want to put in CapCut from your laptop. So let me see if we can find some audios here. So for example, I want to add this one. Okay, good. I want to add this one, so just click over here on import. Okay, and here you go, your audio will be imported to your CapCut app. Okay, then you can use your audio for your video. Okay, so just keep clicking on your audio and put your audio in your video over here. Okay, and that's it. You can go to the end of your audio, click over here, and you can make it matched with your video like this. It's super easy. And if you want to decrease the background music or the music of this audio, the volume of this audio, you can go over here and you can click on this icon over here and you can decrease the volume of your audio. Okay, it's super easy, and here you go.
My expertise spans all styles. Let my work speak for itself.
That's how we can put audio in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, and see you in my next videos.